end for me, buddy. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
I'll let you know when you're ready.
Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Khôi and today I'll tell you how ants communicate. Firstly, ants. I'll tell you why ants communicate between other ants. Secondly, I'll tell you why ants communicate with other species, and lastly, I'll tell you communications humans between humans and ants. Firstly, the first reason ants communicate with other ants is to know which ant belongs to which colony. Ants use some small chemicals called pheromones to communicate. They can use these chemicals to identify the colony of an ant's colony and its role in that colony. Secondly, ants greet ants greet as a communication uh, method. Ants exchange liquids from mouth to mouth to inform other ants about important information in a colony. In this process, they might as well pass hormones in their vomit to the ant they are talking to in order to develop that ant. The last reason is to keep track of other ants. When an ant finds food, it leaves a scent path to the food and returns to the colony. Other ants will follow this path and find the food. Now let's move on to communication between other species. The reason why they communicate with other insects and species is to warn it is trespassing the colony. When a predator is approaching, like wasps, ants tend to release a type of chemical so that the other ants can smell it and can be warned that a predator is coming. And as of now, scientists haven't found any evidence of ants being able to talk with humans, since we are too big compared to them. Not only that, but we also have a different method of communication. Not to mention that ants' eyesight is very bad. Some might even be blind, thus they can't see a human properly. Thanks for listening, and goodbye.
Okay. Does anyone have any questions for Khôi Nguyen? Okay, go on then, Tang. Go for it.
Why is ants so stinky after they have died?
Because when they die, they release a chemical to warn other ants to indicate that they are dead to other ants.
Do we have any
more questions?
I have one. So they communicate through liquids to one another. Is there been any instances where they've learnt or developed different forms of communication with humans or other creatures, for example?
No, because they are too small compared to animals like us.
Okay. Okay.
And they can only communicate with other insects.
Okay, Khôi Nguyen, I think you can wrap up your presentation for me, please.